In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video speed in Wave.video. Adjusting speed is a simple way to refine pacing, match your visuals to a voiceover, or create slow motion and time-lapse effects without leaving the editor. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where everything is and what each choice will do to your clip. Start on the My Projects page in Wave.video. This is where all your videos are listed as thumbnails with titles. Find the project you want to modify and click on the video. That opens the project view so you can get into the editor. Next, click Edit Video. This takes you into the full editing workspace where you can access the timeline, canvas, and all the clip settings. Give the editor a moment to load if your project is large. That's normal. Inside the editor, click on a part of the video you want to change. You can click directly on the clip in the timeline or on the canvas preview. You'll see it become highlighted when it's selected. Keep in mind the speed adjustment applies to the selected segment, not automatically to the whole project, so make sure the correct portion is active before you proceed. Now look to the panel on the right side of the screen. This is the Properties panel for whatever you've selected. Find and click the speed control there. If you don't see it immediately, ensure that a video clip, not an image or text layer, is selected because the options shown depend on the type of element you've clicked. Open the speed dropdown and choose the setting that fits your goal. Slower values like 0.75x or 0.5x stretch a moment for emphasis or drama, while faster values like 1.25x or 2x condense content to keep the energy up. As you change speed, the clip's duration will adjust accordingly in the timeline. If your clip includes audio, remember the pitch and feel will change with the speed. Subtle adjustments often keep things sounding natural. For voice-driven videos, modest changes like 0.9x or 1.x can fine-tune timing without sounding artificial, while larger shifts work best for B-roll or footage without critical dialogue. After choosing a speed, watch the preview to confirm the pacing feels right against the surrounding clips and any music you've added. If the transition between different speeds feels abrupt, try selecting a more moderate setting or balancing neighboring clips so the overall rhythm stays smooth. And that's it. You've adjusted your video's speed in Wave.video by opening your project, entering the editor, selecting the right part of the clip, opening the speed control on the right, and choosing the value that delivers the look and timing you want. Thanks for watching.